At Respach Private Limited, we don't just build houses, we build homes that last for generations. Every project starts with a vision, realized through precision, innovation, and expert craftsmanship. One of our in-progress building projects, One Canal Duplex Double-Story House in Reggie Model Town, is a testament to our dedication to quality and safety at every step. With innovative construction techniques and a steadfast commitment to safety, we deliver homes built to the highest standards of quality and durability. To construct yours, contact us today.